what we've been seeing over quite a few quarters, in fact over the last year, is that average prices have increased in prime central London. But this isn't something that we are talking about to the press, simply because it's actually a change in the composition of the way people are buying. So what we're seeing is fewer buy-to-let investors buying lower value property because they're holding back, trying to call the bottom of the market, and no doubt they'll miss the bottom. And homeowners who may be buying a pied-à-terre or a place for their kids, seeing discounts of 15%, seeing being dollar-denominated investors, seeing discounts over the last 2 years in cash terms of 20%, they are coming in and buying things that they probably could never have bought before. So you're seeing a change in the composition of the market with an increase in activity. In fact, 23% increase in activity between £5 and £10 million purchases. So what you're getting is more expensive properties being bought than less expensive properties. They're all discounted, but because of that change in balance, you're seeing an increase in average prices. So it's not something we particularly want to come out into the marketplace and talk about, because it's a bit of a statistical anomaly. But that is actually what's happening in the land registry results. But in the domestic market, you're seeing no price movement, and you're seeing falling transactions. And in fact, everywhere you're seeing falling transactions. The number of transactions in prime central London is as low as it was post-credit crunch, and 40% lower than it was in 2013 and 14, because a lot of people, particularly investors, are holding back and biding their time, and then they'll all come back in an ugly rush. But in the UK as a whole, where the government has done a lot of tax incentives rather than tax disincentives, you're not seeing price growth and you're seeing falling transactions. And I would say that the domestic market is probably more uncertain going forward due to Brexit than the prime central London market.